I understand some homeowners are putting off their plans to sell right now because of where mortgage rates are, because they may have to purchase also. But here's my question for you. If you find yourself in that same boat, what about your needs? I'd be willing to bet the reason you wanted to sell in the first place wasn't financially motivated. It's because something in your life changed or your priorities shifted. And you're not alone. Here's a look at the top 5 reasons why homeowners sold recently. You'll notice every single one of them is not financial. And what's the number one reason? It's wanting to move closer to friends or family. If you're thinking about selling because there's too much distance between you and the people who matter most, maybe it's time to prioritize having more quality time together. Or if you're retiring and want to move to a dream location, have a house that's too small, or any other motivator, know that people most often sell for personal reasons. So if you want to move because you think you'll be happier, don't hold back, reach out, and we can work together to make it happen. You can always refinance later when rates drop. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home Team. We'll talk to you soon.